Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fix playback lag on CapCut PC. So for instance, if you are editing a video and it takes such a long time to play back the video, simply go to the modify section, go to performance and enable proxy if it is off. So enable proxy, it says turn on proxy to speed up editing and video quality won't be affected. Then you're going to select the lowest resolution ever. Don't worry, when you export it, it won't affect the video. It just will affect when you play back so that you can edit and see what effects you need to add or edit. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.